Okay, so everything you need for this class is at samsclass.info. To open it in a browser, and you'll see at the top this event in progress. And the overall structure of this is intended to be very flexible, so you can focus on whatever topic is the most interesting to you. So I rearranged the topics. I did this kind of deliberately based on my experience teaching these elsewhere, that a lot of people are not that interested in secure coding or cryptography. So I moved it to the end. In case you're not interested, you can just keep doing the projects from the earlier parts. So the most important, I think, by far, is machine learning. Because it's new, it's very hard to find a good class in it. And I've been working on it for a while. I've been teaching it on what I call an emergency basis for more than a year now to my classes, even though the college is very slow and it's not yet an approved class. So I warn them, this is a pirate class where no college credit, but the topic is so important, I think you should do it anyway. And so I'm going to start with that. And I'm teaching this as a whole week-long class, a lot of places. So you can spend the whole week just working on machine learning if you like, and you wouldn't be wasting your time. And then I'll do web app security, which is also very important. Our industry consultants have asked me to teach this specific class from this specific book because it's so useful for pen testers. And that also leads you into a place where there are hundreds of hands-on projects, enough to spend a whole week working on that. And then we'll do instant response, cryptography, and secure coding on the future days. I haven't put those pages up. I'll probably put them up tonight. But the first 2 pages and all the projects are available. And the structure of the class is as a capture the flag contest, which is the standard in this business, where you have activities to perform. And at the end of each activity, you will find a flag. So let me try to find a good example here. The one I've been thinking about most is the newer one down here. So for example, there's a thing called Anything LLM, where you can make your own large language model to run locally on your machine, and you can customize it with special data. So you go here, this one's really pretty easy. Install Anything LLM, LM Studio, and Anything LLM. You go through a bunch of steps, and then at the end, there's something in a green box. And the thing in the green box is the flag. There's a word here, or a couple of words hidden behind this green box, and that's the flag. So this is ML 128.1. When you reach this point, you know what's in there. And you go here at the top, and you can submit the flag. So this is ML 128.1. Not in the list. I'll have to fix that. That's disturbing. All right, anyway, there's always something. You choose the right challenge, then you put in your name and a flag, and you end up on the scoreboard. So that's a way you can keep score and have a sort of competition, and that keeps people moving. Even in an environment like this where there's no prize and stuff, it just keeps people entertained. And the point is, there are so many things to do. Just do the ones that are most valuable to you. Nobody expects you to do them all or do them in any particular order. And I'll demonstrate the techniques here just so you can have awareness and help you choose what to do. But you can choose your own adventure here, go into whatever order you want. And if you get stuck or need help, let me know. That's one of the great things about Zoom. You can share your screen so I can see what you're doing and help you on things. So that's the structure of the class. Let me stop this recording.